What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another video. Give me the HBO special. That's the Help a Brother Out special. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let's go ahead and get right on into this video.
With me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met.
All right, guys. So, a couple weeks back when I went out to the REI Coaches Conference out in Alabama, Pace and Jamil Morby were there, and it was something that Jamil Morby said. That Jamil Damji said that really stuck with me, right? He was like, you can go out there and have your team make 50 phone calls a day, or you can reach out to 50 wholesalers who have reached out to 50 sellers every day. Right? So it really kind of stuck out to me, like, which one do you think is actually gonna work better? So I really wanted to kind of expand upon that in this video and kind of talk to you all about different ways to 10x your wholesaling business, where you don't have to just sit back and hope and wish that you're getting deals, but I'm gonna give you some main tried and true strategies, y'all, that work, that you can get out here and start multiplying your business today. I put that on everything. So by the end of this video, I got y'all. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys. So basically the main point of this strategy, the main point is that you want to have access to all of the deals in your market. You want to be like the distribution center for all of the deals in the markets that you're working in. So, if you're diving into a brand new market, get to know the actual buyers, get to know the actual wholesalers in that market, and start helping these people piece together these deals. Now, you can go out there, you can start a funnel, you can make 1,000 calls a day, and I recommend that you do that as well. When I'm talking about all of this stuff, is not saying, hey, don't have your own acquisition team out there. What I'm saying is that a lot of people kind of limit their business because they're only out there doing their own acquisition and they're not even attempting to try to tap into the rest of the deals in the market. You want to be the distribution center. You want to be the Amazon of this thing, where you're bringing buyers and sellers together. That's what a wholesaler does. Like, Amazon has the most products for sale, but they barely sell any products. Uber has the most taxis on the road, but they don't drive any taxis. Facebook has the most media, but they don't post any media. Do y'all get what I'm saying? The best business models out there are the ones that operate on autopilot, where you bring two types of people together. You're creating communities. So that brings me back to Pace and Jamil Morby. Like, I keep saying it. So that brings me back to Pace and Jamil, where Jamil was saying, hey, you can go out there and you can help these people get their deals disposed, right? Keegley is a company that Jamil owns, and that's what they do. They're basically a dispo company for wholesalers in 90 different markets throughout America. They're helping wholesalers get their deals closed, guys. And that they're one of the biggest wholesaling companies in all of America right now. It's not a fluke, it's for a reason. With so many new wholesalers coming into the game right now, there's almost like a saturation of brand new wholesalers. If you've been out here for a while, if you already have buyers, if you know how to talk that talk and how to walk the walk as well, you may be missing out on a ton of deals right now on Facebook, Craigslist, places like that, where people are just posting these deals like, hey, look, I need help, I'm looking for a buyer, so on and so forth. These are golden opportunities that you could be taking advantage of today.
You smart.
So make sure that y'all get y'all buyers up, man. It's all about collaboration over competition. And realistically, even if you don't want to do just a dispose at, then be the person that's out there sourcing all of these deals. Be the person that has the gift of gab on these phone calls or has the teams in place, and you can source these deals, you can acquire them, and then just network with other people in your market to get those deals disposed of. I got people right now, shout out to my guy Toby. That's his main forte right there. He does acquisition. He has other people that he works with that does dispo. So you want to make sure that you're collaborating with other wholesalers in your area, as well as agents as well. Sometimes they have off-market deals or pocket listings that they can shoot your way. It's not about what you know. Realistically, it's who you know that's ultimately going to make the biggest difference in your business success. I really mean it when I say, you want to make yourself indispensable in the markets that you're working in. Even connect with like community organizers and leaders, event creators and stuff like that. People that are trying to help build the community. Reach out to them like, hey, how can I serve you? How can I help you get more opportunities? How can I help you serve more people? You can even, sponsor events, local events, community events. Go to the library or to the, to the church or to different places. Be like, hey, look, let's do a turkey drive. Let's do a so and so forth. It's not what you know, it's who you know. You don't necessarily always have to spend money to 10x your business. Sometimes you just need to 10x your relationships. You need to get together with different people in your market that are the movers, the shakers, the people that are actually making this market move. You need to know these people. Because once you get in certain rooms, y'all will realize like, damn, there's so many things that I didn't know. There's so many things that I couldn't actually process yet because I was ignorant to them. And like, once you get that enlightenment, once you realize like, yo, this is what's possible, it's like, man, look, I should have been networking with people a long time ago. That's how you'll start to feel. So I'm telling you, reach out to other wholesalers, other agents, community organizers, activists, like whatever it is. Network with everyone in your market. You want to become indispensable. You want to be that Uber, that Lyft, that Facebook, that Instagram, that company that the world can't go without, at least in your market. You want to be that real estate company where if people don't know you, what are you really doing? If you're in Arizona and y'all know Pace and Jamil, what are you doing?
Stop it. Get some help.
You get what I'm saying? So things like that. You want to be that company that's really putting themselves out there, networking with the heavies and really understanding what the market wants and putting these deals together. Starting off firstly by going out there and networking with other wholesalers that already have deals under contract. If you know what you're doing, at least don't go out there bogus and just like, look, I'm just getting started today and I'm trying to, lock up other people's deals and stuff like that. Like, make sure that you know what you're doing. You already have those buyers on deck. You know how to talk that talk. You know how to walk the walk. You've been out here doing your thing already. A great way to bring on additional deals and 10x your business is by networking with those wholesalers, networking with agents, networking with community organizers and leaders. Guys, I hope that this video has been valuable, man. Look, tell me if y'all found some value in this video, man. Drop me a comment down below for sure. If y'all found value in it, share this video with other people, man. I think that we really, as wholesalers, we need to expand our mindsets, man. We need to stop just thinking, it has to be this way. It has to be, I have to assign it every time. Or, I have to go out there and spend $1,000 a month on marketing. It's a lot of different ways to skin a cat, as my daddy used to say. So make sure that y'all stay flexible, man. Let me know if y'all found value in this video. If so, hit that like button, man. Give me the HBO special. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content, man. I'm trying to get to 12,500 subscribers before the end of this year. It's a big goal, it's a crazy goal, but it's my goal, right? The only way I'm gonna get there is if y'all give me that HBO special. Share this video with other people as well. Let me know if y'all found value. Hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed. As always, man, we're gonna wrap it up. Until next time, we out.